This is the final result. In this video, I will show you how I achieved this 3D screen effect without using After Effects. I simply used Pixellab and CapCut to create this mesmerizing 3D screenshot. It wasn't easy to achieve such an awesome result, but it was definitely worth my time. So let's get started with step 1. Capture the main screenshot and gather all the elements you want to transform into a mesmerizing 3D experience. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've selected the YouTube homepage as my primary screenshot. The objective is to convert each thumbnail on the homepage into a captivating 3D image, creating a dynamic and visually striking effect. Step 2, Pixellab, creating 3D elements. Now, let's move on to the intricate details of step 2. Open Pixellab and initiate a new project. Upload the main screenshot, ensuring it is appropriately sized to perfectly fit the screen. Click on the Add button and select Shape. Here's where the real magic begins. Craft a rectangle around the edges and adjust its color to red for spacing precision. Resize it to snugly encompass the first thumbnail. Now, duplicate this carefully crafted shape for each subsequent thumbnail. Returning to the initial shape, I'll use the texture feature in Pixellab. This allows us to seamlessly integrate the thumbnail screenshot captured in the first step into our rectangle. Click on Texture, upload your first screenshot. Oh, here's a potential hiccup. The screenshot won't appear with the red color. No worries, I'll revert the shape color to transparent, and voila, the screenshot now fits perfectly within the rectangle. Now, I will make the color transparent for all shapes to avoid this problem. And you can make this step before duplicating the first shape not to waste your time. Then use the texture feature for each shape to locate and integrate the respective thumbnails you captured. Next, let's take our creation a step further with the 3D shape feature. Transform the shape and its embedded screenshot into a three-dimensional masterpiece. Adjust the settings accordingly. Next, click on the shadow effects and fine-tune the settings like this. Position the 3D shape precisely, and there you have it, a visually stunning 3D element. Repeat this process diligently for each thumbnail screenshot. I'll expedite the process in the video to maintain brevity. Here's the incredible result. Now, as we progress, you can seamlessly merge all these elements together. Simply select them all and choose the merge option, bringing your meticulously crafted 3D elements into a cohesive visual ensemble. Now, let's revisit the 3D feature once more, this time turning our attention to the full screenshot. With a deft touch, apply the 3D feature and rotate the entire image to your desired orientation. Or you can simply use the 3D rotate feature to rotate the screenshot. And there you have it, the final result. Now you can export it to your desktop to use in the next step, and I will export 2 different versions to use. Step 3, CapCut adding motion. Now, it's time to infuse life into our 3D masterpiece using CapCut's powerful keyframes. Follow along as I guide you through the entire process, and remember, you can add your unique touch to tailor the motion to your preference. Begin by importing the 2 screenshots into CapCut. Drag and drop the first one onto the timeline. Select it and upscale it to your desired size. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of keyframing. Move the screenshot to the beginning of the timeline, add a keyframe, and adjust its position. Then navigate to the end of the screenshot, add another keyframe, and move it to a different position. Witness the magic unfold as you play through the sequence. Moving on to the next screenshot, upscale it similarly and follow the same keyframing process as before. The result? A seamlessly orchestrated motion that transforms your static screenshots into dynamic, eye-catching visuals. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can turn any seemingly mundane screenshot from your YouTube channel or website into a captivating 3D experience. If you have any questions or insights, feel free to drop them in the comments below. But that's not all. Join my channel for an abundance of upcoming editing hacks utilizing CapCut. In the upcoming videos, get ready for a deep dive into the world of 3D screen effects and animation tricks. Learn the very techniques that pro YouTubers such as Ayman Godzi and Ali Abdayal have employed to enhance their edits, captivate audiences, and grab more attention and views. But that's not all. We'll also explore storytelling edits inspired by the dynamic style of Magnate's media, uncover the secrets behind their engaging content, and discover how you can implement similar storytelling techniques to elevate your own videos. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your editing skills and make your content stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Subscribe now and stay tuned for a series of tutorials that will transform your editing game.